What's going on, Lizard Gang? Lizard Fam? How are you guys doing today? I hope you guys are having an awesome day. In this video, I'm taking you guys with me on my way home. Just gonna rant and talk for a little bit because it's beautiful out, so I thought, why not? I'm taking the good old 919 Hornet. Kind of hoping that the ride home is pretty chill, but we'll see how it goes. I'm so happy to be off work. Work's been driving me insane. I hate working at warehouses. Doing normal work in general just sucks ass. But that's just way of life now. You gotta do what you gotta do. Especially if you don't go to college, you can't just pick the job that you want. But my problem, of course. To be honest with you, I never really knew what I would want to even go for college. That's part of what has held me back from going to college and becoming in some sort of trade. No trade really interests me, to be honest with you. I've always just kind of stuck doing warehouse. It's something I know how to do. Something I really don't love to do. I don't really particularly hate it either. It just kind of sucks, you know. Working just kind of sucks. I hate all these traffic cameras that they got around here. So stupid. And I love having my motorcycle be my only means of transportation. I love it and I hate it sometimes. I don't really ever hate it. I just sometimes wish I had a car as well. I don't know who the hell, why they were honking. Dickweeds made me lose my train of thought. Oh yeah. Yeah, I love having motorcycles. My only means of transportation, but I also hate it sometimes. I wouldn't say I hate it. I just wish I had a car, so I had the option to use a car if I wanted to. Especially for like really shitty days and stuff like that. But it is what it is. I made my own decisions. I chose to have just bikes, so I got to deal with that. Deal with them consequences. But so like relieving because after a long day of work, you just hop on the bike, just fucking let it rip. Man, it feels so good. Hearing that shoot right up the RPMs. Beautiful. Dang, son. No. There's this on one. Keeps honking. Woman's on one. Calm down, mammy. We hear you. And I really want to go hit up these food carts that are over here super bad. They look nice and tasty. Ooh, that's sweet. trying out a new video mode on my GoPro, so see how the video turns out. I realized in one of my last videos I uploaded, I didn't really like the quality, so I wanted to see if I could change that a bit. It's weird because it was the only video that turned up like that, but I still don't. I want to get to the bottom of it and solve whatever caused it to be low quality. I think I'm gonna go around again. Everybody's going dummy mode. Probably go around this way because school's not in session, but it's a little bit quicker. I feel not most of the time this way. And except when a bunch of people decide to do the same thing, and then they take their sweet time to go, even though they could have gone like 20 times. What are you doing, dude? Go. There you go. That was a big old church. That has to be a church, right? Look it up and I'll put it on the video. And people are lagging today. They were lagging on my way into work too. I really wish the cops in Tualatin weren't so out to get people. From what I've heard, they just love messing with people, so I don't really like coming out here all too much, but there's a lot of cool spots that I want to check out. But I want to check out, but I just can't figure out. God damn it. Man, so ready to be home. Damn. Something that always makes me nervous going past that is all the debris. Luckily, I'm riding on Michelin Road 6s, so I got all the grip in the world. I love Michelin Road 6s. In my opinion, so far, it's the best tire I've found. It's just super sticky. Pretty much every other tire I've had, I've accidentally spun tire on. I never once accidentally spun tire with the Road 6s yet. I always kind of wonder if people can hear me when I'm vlogging through my helmet. They're like, man, this guy's got dementia. Why do they give him a motorcycle license? Ooh, bike. Sinclair. So, Oh, buddy. Looks like the freeway is mostly free, so I'm excited to get a nice little rip in on the way home. Especially because it's supposed to rain tomorrow, so I'm gonna go for another ride once I go home, too. Gotta go home, walk the dog, get ready first, but definitely, and go out and rip. Down street. Go. Off work, let's rip. They really need to widen this freeway over here. It's so ridiculous that it's still a 2 lane. Yeah, thank you, people. Man, all these people are being dope today. Love it. They're like, oh shit, he's on a bike. Let's just get out of his way. Yeah, I like you guys. Oh yeah, sick as fuck, yo. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Yeah, not even going fucking, not even going that fast. Actually been pretty chill. I'm not ready for the rain. It's supposed to be raining off and on for the next 2 weeks, bro. Really need to move somewhere warmer sooner than later. Let me get home, fools. Wow, wow, wow. Come on, baby. We're gonna make it. Yeah, let's go. Not getting stuck behind y'all. So gotta go get some smokes. Ah, dang, man, what a beautiful day. I love it. I feel like that's why everybody around Washington and Oregon are so like grumpy during the winter time, is because vitamin D deficiency. You need that vitamin D3, son. Making everybody do a bunch of grumpy mofos. Making people into a bunch of grumpy ass. I hate how long this light takes. Light takes 2 million forevers. Was that an e-bike? Yeah. That's my boy on his e-bike. That's funny. Alright, you guys. Made it back. Thank you guys so much for listening to me rant and talk for a minute, and I appreciate every one of you guys. I hope you guys have an amazing day. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to hit that subscribe button. Take it easy. Lizard out.